Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to continue with question and answers, wherein what I do is I come up with some questions and I answer those questions. These questions are very basic day-to-day used questions in our conversations. So whenever we talk to people, if you just pay attention to it, we start the conversation with a question. Suppose you're going outside, you've just stepped out of your house and you met somebody and you say hi. The next question is, how are you? Right? So the conversation starts with, how are you? And then you say, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? And then the other person again replies, yes, I'm good, thank you. Where are you going? So, where are you up to? Or where are you going? Is the next question which is asked. So this is how the conversation starts. The conversation starts with questions and replying to those questions. So that is why I have thought of coming up with a series of question and answer sessions wherein these questions will be very basic conversational questions. I'm going to answer those questions for you. What you have to do is, and the question will be displayed on the screen. Now, what you have to do is you have to speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me, or you can understand, you can listen to my answer, get the idea, come up with your own answer and repeat it or speak on it. Okay, so guys, I'm sure this has become very easy for you. I try to simplify things for you. So when you listen to my questions, when you listen to the conversation, it's very simple, very easy, very entertaining, very interesting, and easy to pick up. You can practice it at any point of time, at any part of the day, whether you're traveling, whether you're relaxing, whether you're eating, whatever you are doing, you can do along with it. So you have to just pay attention to how I'm answering the question. My English is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to relate. You can juggle my sentences, you can pick up my sentences, replace the words which I've spoken with your own words, and you can make your own sentence out of it. So you have to take some efforts to practice. And once you start practicing in this format, it is really going to help you to speak English fluently and confidently and within no time. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. I am constantly in search of new methods and techniques or tricks which will help you to become fluent and confident in speaking English easily and quickly. And that is why I've come up with this question and answer series. Guys, it is very interesting, very easy to use and very easy to practice. Try it from today right now. If you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, do write a comment in the comment section and press the notification icon so that you get all my videos. So now let's get started. The first question today I have is, what is your favorite cuisine? We all love food, right? I am a big foodie. I want to try everything. And we all eat, right? If you're not a foodie, you eat, right? You love eating food. You have some favorites, right? So that is why there's one question which is related to food in my series. So today the question is, what is your favorite cuisine? Well, I keep on trying different cuisines. So my current favorite is Lebanese. I am in love with this cuisine. The very basic spices are used. The taste is very different. I love their falafels. I love their hummus. I love their garlic dip. I love their salads. I love their pita bread, the grilled kebabs, and lots more. The herb rice and lots more. So it's very healthy and appetizing cuisine, which I'm in love with recently. Apart from that, of course, I like Chinese, I like Italian, I like Mexican as well. I love the flavors which are used in Mexican cuisine, the tacos, the wraps, and lots more. And of course, at the end of the day, I love Indian food as well, Indian cuisine as well. Dal khichdi or dal chawal is my all-time favorite. Question number 2. How do you balance your work life? Well, if you speak about me, I have really attained this work-life balance. And I'm really thankful for this. I also used to had 9 to 7 job, which I quit because of my kid. So now what I do is I take sessions. I go out and take sessions. I take online and offline sessions on communications, and it is in my hands what how much session I want to take in a day. So that ways I try to balance my work life. I make sure that I am not out for the whole day. I want to give some time to my daughter as well, so I don't want to stay out the whole day. The point is that. So that is why my working model has helped me to achieve that. Whenever I have sessions, I go out and take sessions, and the rest of the sessions I record. So in this way, it helps me to balance the work life. I can give time to my family and I can give time to work as well. And I feel all the working mothers will relate to this, that, when they have 9 to 7 jobs, they feel very guilty of not spending time with the kid. And when they come home and when they quit their job, they feel guilty of not working. So in this case, I am free from both of these because I work as well and I take care of my daughter. So I'm pretty happy right now. I also have been in that situation before, but now I'm pretty much relaxed and pretty much happy with my work and personal life. Question number 3 is, what is your opinion about work from home? Well, COVID has changed everything, right? It has made impossible possible. I remember when we used to fall sick and we wanted to work from home or we wanted to take a holiday, and there was something, pretty much some urgent task which was assigned to us, and we used to say that, we can work from home. We can do that work from home. Our managers were not very open to this thing. But when COVID came and everybody was in lockdown, and, the companies also started to give work from home. And that has helped a lot of people. That has helped people to have family time also. There are advantages and disadvantages of work from home, but I think working mothers will relate to me. I mean, it has helped a lot of working mothers to take care of their house, kids, and work at the same time. And since husband and wife both are there at home, so the responsibilities also got divided. But the disadvantage of this work from home was your work and personal life went hand in hand. You were not able to separate these two. You have to work at the same time. You have to do your house chores or house other tasks also at the same time. So you were not able to differentiate. It was not like, okay, 6 hours I'm going to dedicate to my office and the rest of the hours I'm going to be free. So a lot of things got mixed. It was all mixed. Your personal life and work was all mixed, right? You have to do your personal work as well. You have to do your professional work as well at the same time, because your kid is also present at home. You have to cook breakfast also, lunch also, dinner also, and you have to work at the same time. You're not free from any of the responsibilities. So probably your responsibilities got added up. So that was one of the disadvantage of work from home. But otherwise, if you're able to manage everything, it's good. Question number 4, how do you manage work stress? Or what do you do after a long day or after a stressful day? Well, in my profession, there's a lot of stress at work, especially when people don't join your company, or there are lots of, things which have come up, lots of positions which has come up, and, you have to urgently fill the positions. So there are a lot of stress which comes with a job. We all get stressed, right? It's human mentality or it's human mindset. So I also used to get stressed and I used to work. But what I used to do is, whenever I got back home, the time I entered my house, I just want to forget about work. I never used to talk about work, and I used to forget that. I used to close that chapter after coming back home. So in this way, I used to relieve my stress. So after coming home, I used to follow my routine, which whatever I do at home, talking to the family, watching TV, or cooking something in the kitchen, going out for a walk, playing with my kids. So I used to do all these things to manage my stress. And once I go back to work, I start working there. So I never mixed work and life. So whenever I came back home, I left all the stress, all my tensions, all my work related things in the office, and then I used to come back. I never used to talk about that. I never used to think about those things when I was at home. So this helped me to kind of relax myself, give me energy for the next day, and relieve my stress, of course. Question number 5, and the most important question. Which is the one skill which is very important for a job? I'm sure you have guessed it right. Yes, it is English. It is communication skills. And that also English communication skills. Why English? Because the mode of communication at work or in our professional life is English, right? We all talk and communicate in English at our offices. So that is why this is the one skill which is very important for our professional life. We have to brush it up. We have to be good in our communication skills. Our English has to be good. At least we can communicate. At least we should learn or know how to communicate with people, how to communicate our ideas, our thoughts, our work, right? So these are very basic things. This is a very basic skill which we need to develop in ourselves for a successful career, right? So in our professional life, it is very important for us to be confident and fluent in English. Or rather, we need to know how to communicate in English with others, right? If you're not able to communicate what you have done, what you're thinking, what your ideas are, how will the other person understand? How will you grow in the organization, right? So you have to be very clear about your communication, how you're communicating with people. So I always say, give it a try, guys. Start speaking in English from now, from today, right now. You will definitely learn the language. It's not that difficult. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. That is why I've come up with a lot of practice sessions for 10 minutes a day, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes a day. Give it to practicing English speaking. And the more you practice, the better you get at it. So it's not difficult at all. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll definitely improve. That is a promise. So guys, I'm sure these questions were easy for you to understand and the answers as well. So what you can do is you can just take those questions and start preparing your own answers as well. You can prepare your own answers. This is very basic questions. It's about you, right? It's all about you, what you feel, how you feel about it. So you can just come up with your own answers. If you don't have experience in all these things, you can just copy my answer. You can write it down. You can listen to me twice or thrice and get the idea, and then you can speak in your own words on it. And I would suggest you have to video record or audio record your voice. Video recording is better. You can see your body language. You can see where you are getting stuck, where you are falling short of words, where you are not very confident, or if you're confident or not. So you'll get to know a lot of things looking at yourself, right? So that will help you to correct yourself. So you can repeat that exercise again, right? Twice or thrice and see the difference. So keep practicing in this way, guys, for 10 minutes at least for 30 days to see the difference. I'm sure this is really going to help you, and it will surely make you fluent and confident in English. See you. Bye-bye.